Hey YouTube scrappers, going to the junkyard, to the yard, just take some wire and other stuff. It's a really extremely hot day today, just opening the garage here. Had to do voiceover on this little bit. It's just crazy how this microphone doesn't work sometimes, but anyway. Yeah, so it's a nice, warm, hot day again today. Just moving stuff out of the way so I can get in and around and get some stuff out and hopefully make more room today. So, yeah. So this is what I'm doing today. Going to the junkyard. So it's going to be a what it weighs, what it pays here, and there's one barrel of insulated copper wire that I've got. I'm going to have at least 2 barrels and one big tote full, and maybe some batteries and some copper aluminum rads as well. Yeah, just getting stuff out so I can get her put into the car. Yeah, took the first one out, just picking up some pieces of wire here and there that fell out of the barrel. So yeah, it's just trying to clean up some. I hope everybody's having a great day, and yeah, we'll try to get things picked up. Try to make more room in the garage. And try to make a little bit of money today, so just trying to fill up this barrel. As you can see, my garage is pretty full. But anyway, we'll get stuff taken out. My stainless steel bin is getting full. My barrel is getting full. More scrap wire to pick up. Yeah. Hard to know what to say while I'm walking, but just cleaning up the wire and trying to fill up the bucket as full as I can. Make sure I don't trip and fall. I'm gonna move some parts of computers that I've stripped down, and so move some stuff out of the way.
I'm getting it. I gotta go through this and make sure everything's stainless and dump it out into my big bin.
Right there, wire.
Oh, I'm sweating a lot right now.
Empty one into that. Those plastic barrels I'm gonna set outside and drill holes in the bottom so the water can
My old sheet is overflowing.
And aluminum is overflowing.
I gotta clean those off too sometime.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's a bunch of stuff there. I gotta run through the auction and see what I get
I'm gonna send stuff through the auction here soon.
And just start going through totes and stuff and start cleaning these transformers. Seeing which ones are aluminum and which ones are copper. Maybe I'll do a video on that here soon. So yeah, I got 2 barrels, this tote. Found this in the garbage. I'll run that through the auction just to see what I get. Found these in the garage here. I'm not sure how long I've had them, but anyway, I think I'll send these today too. Let's try to get as much stuff out of the garage as I can this week. I gotta get some parts for the car, and hopefully I'm able to put those on this week. We'll see. Alright, I'm gonna turn my car around so I can load this up. I think I might take batteries today too. Just to get them out of here, out of the garage. Alright, so how many batteries I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 batteries. Some aluminum copper rads. 2 barrels and 1 tote of wire. There. I'll be back with what it weighed, what it paid here shortly. Get it turned around here the wrong way. Alright, I'll be right back with you. Okay, scrappers, YouTube. I'm back from the scrapyard, so this is what I got. In a second, I'll set it down so I don't shake you to death. So low grade wire, I had 119 pounds, 47 pounds, or 40 cents a pound for $47.60. AC rads, I had 29 pounds, got $1.10 a pound for $31.90. Batteries, that was out of the backups, computer backups. 96 pounds at 12 cents a pound for $11.52. So a total of $91.02 Canadian today. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and some of the things that I got at the auction. I was able to get these brake pads. I'm gonna find out what they fit. and try to sell them. So brand new pads, got them for $1. Got these two DVRs, no remotes. They say they work, but anyway. There's a Philips and a Pioneer for $3. What else? I got a Shark vacuum, a little one, for $1. I don't know where that is right now. And then the other thing I got was this steel with that. I don't know what it's for a trailer or something. Angle iron, more angle iron here. Plates and stuff on that one. I got all that for $1 as well. So it's pretty good. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.